Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play custom games on Call of Duty Warzone. First, launch the game from your console or PC. Once in the main menu, scroll down through the playlist options until you find Warzone Private Match. Select this to enter the custom game lobby. This is your first step to creating a personalized match experience with friends. Once inside the private match lobby, you can customize nearly every aspect of your game. Select a game type, such as Battle Royale, Mini Royale, or Plunder. You can then modify settings like player count, team configurations, and even specific rules for weapons or player health. This allows for unique and tailored gameplay experiences, perfect for practicing or friendly competition. To get your friends into the game, locate the unique game code displayed in your private match lobby. Share this code with anyone you wish to invite. They will use this code to join your session. Remember, Battle Royale modes typically require a minimum of 50 players to start, while Mini Royale needs 23 and Plunder 29. Custom games offer a fantastic way to enjoy Warzone beyond standard public matches. You can practice new tactics, explore the map, or host friendly tournaments with unique rules. It's an excellent environment to experiment with different loadouts and weapon attachments, helping you refine your skills in a controlled setting. Have fun creating your ultimate Warzone experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.